Welcome to AF Clothing Wardrobe. So today I'm teaching you guys how to pipe your senator's neck. That will look very neat. So right here I'm doing the job already. I'm piping it already. So don't worry, I'll drop a full video soon that will teach you how to pipe it step by step from beginning to the end. I'm just trying to make a short video for you guys so you understand this first before dropping a full video, because these days you guys don't like watching long videos. Yeah, so I just want to make it brief. So this is me piping the neck right here. So my neck circumference is 17. So just watch till the end, don't skip. And please, if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are a new watcher from anywhere in the world, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and click the like button, and you can also help me by sharing my video. Just pay attention to what I'm doing right here. So I'm trying to pipe the neck neatly. Don't rush and don't be in a haste. Just take your time and pipe the neck very neatly. I know you guys, some of you guys will know how to build the neck itself with any gum and everything. So this is just a short video here. If you want me to drop a full video on how to pipe this neck from beginning to the end, just click the like button, subscribe and comment down below. I'll drop a full video. As for you, those my returning subscribers, I will say thank you very much for supporting me all this way, for coming back to watch my video. So we are all learning, so I want all of us to grow together. Thanks for coming back, my returning viewers. And for those that is just new, please like and subscribe. And make sure you pay attention to what I'm doing right here. Just watch closely. Okay? I'm sorry, I'm wishing you guys a happy new year. I've not dropped any video this year. This is my first video for this year. So I want you guys to pay attention. This year 2023 will be great for all of us. In Jesus' name. If you are a Muslim, inshallah. So what next? I'll take it to my iron and press the neck. Press it. It's my steam iron. Okay? It's good to use steam iron while pressing your senators. Make it balance well and it's stress free. So just take your time ironing. Take your time ironing. Make sure when you iron it, make sure you iron it round. Trying to make it round, and use your steam while ironing to apply water to it. If you are not using a steam iron, you can use. If you are using a dry iron, just apply water to it. But I'm using a steam iron right here, so the steam alone is doing its work. So I'm taking my time to iron it well properly. So take your time to iron very well. Let it lay down, let it sleep very well. Okay? So take your time to iron. Just take your time to iron, okay? And for those that are watching my videos right now, you can also follow me on all platforms: Instagram, AF Clothing, Facebook, AF Clothing Wardrobe, same name. You can follow me and click the like button. So here is the final result of me ironing it. You see how smooth it is, how smooth and very clean, very clean. So here's the final result after adding my placket to it. See how it looks like. Don't you like it? It looks adorable. So this is it. Then if you want me to drop a full video of it, drop a comment below, and I'll be dropping a 2 video on the screen right now. You can see it at your left and right hand side. Click these videos and go and watch it. Peace out. Thanks for watching. I love you all.